Hi guys and welcome back. This reading is for birth number 1. That means if you're born on the 1st, 10th, 19th or 28th of any month, this is the reading for the month of August for you. The first card that I have for you guys that actually jumped out is number 39, acceptance. So the month of August will have to do a lot with accepting a lot of changes that are happening in your life. Maybe the past couple of months have been pretty hard and you have not been able to accept what is happening to you. Sometimes we have to realize that things happen for a reason, and if we don't pay attention to those reasons, or if we don't learn, we actually don't move ahead. And even in your next birth, you'll have to go through the same things over and over again until you learn your lesson. Now let's see from tarot what sort of messages we have for you guys, all both number ones. The first card that I have from tarot is Eight of Pentacles. So a lot of hard work is happening. Number 8 to me also represents the sign of Saturn, and Pentacles are again about long-term future, planning for a long-term future. And when you kind of combine these, you will understand that what the cards are telling you is that you have a lot of hard work to do. You need to have a lot of patience, because if you take a look at this girl is actually trying to chip through the stone, and stones are really hard, and that is exactly what life is doing to you at the moment. Life is throwing challenges and hurdles and obstacles in your way just to make sure that you turn into a diamond in the future. The next card that I have for you is the Knight of Pentacles. Now if you look carefully at this card, you see how there's a graph in the background and how this girl is solving a Rubik cube. What this means is you have to be very strategic in your thinking. You have to be very diplomatic, and you really have to put in all the calculations, so all the pros and cons of a situation very well. You have to evaluate the situation very well in order to move forward. The next card that I have for you is the Five of Pentacles. So number one, people, I don't know exactly what is going on in your life, but please do reach out and let me know. But it does seem like a lot of you could be going through financial difficulties, or you're going through this period of time where you don't have a lot of creativity, or things have been very stale for you, because it does look like you might need to ask for help from somebody, because the situation could be too hard for you to manage. But yeah, that thing is sort of prominent here. That's why you have to accept whatever is going on. The next card that I have for you is the Page of Swords. So finally, if you look at all the expressions of these girls, finally there is some kind of positivity coming. The chances are that this positivity is going to come to you towards the mid of the month, so not in the early month but mid of the month. And this also talks about that you are going to be happy to receive a news. So some kind of communication is definitely happening. For many of you, this could mean that you might make some money. It's not a lot of money, but it's some money. And for a lot of you, deals that have been stuck are going to work out. The next card that I have for you is the Nine of Cups. So see, now we are starting at least some kind of positivity, or some kind of creativity, or some flow of emotions and happiness is actually coming in. I'm not saying you're not going to be happy, but what I mean is your confidence is going to be pretty high. You're going to feel very happy with how the situation has turned for you. The next card that I have for you is the Sun. So August is definitely, you're moving towards more positivity, you're moving towards brightness, you're moving towards a lot of happy things happening. Many of you could be buying a new house, many of you might be getting a promotion. For some of you, you might be starting your own business. So I see very strong spirit of entrepreneurship is happening. Luck is going to be on your side for many of you, but definitely in terms of a lot of things are going to happen to you just because of your good karma in your past life, not in this life but from your past life. So suddenly if situations are bad, you'll see, because you want to do them, suddenly universe will open doors for you and you're going to make it. That's it. It's as simple as that. You're going to make it. A lot of people who are planning to have kids, I do see that happening. So news of pregnancy is also very important. The next card that I have for you is Nine of Pentacles. This card is a confirmation to me that definitely there are going to be chances to make money, or you definitely are going to be making money. The last card that I have for you is the Star. So a lot of wish fulfillments are happening, a lot of goals are happening, a lot of good things are happening towards the end of the month. So possibly, looking at the cards, things have been very hard for you, but moving forward things are going to be really really amazing. Starting uh, August and mid August onwards till the end of the year, things are going to be pretty good. So the next 9 months, you can actually imagine that you are going to be in this energy where whatever you want, however you want, you are going to attract it towards you, and you are definitely going to get it. The universe is going to help you out. But the only thing you have to focus on right now with this card is you have to be consistent in whatever you are doing. Don't give up, you are already there. At the bottom of the deck, I have the Three of Pentacles, which means lot of, especially for people who are in a job, who are in a service, there are chances that you guys might have to work with somebody, you might have to be part of a new team. But overall, I'm seeing optimism. I'm seeing you taking short-term trips, you taking some kind of initiatives to start new things, and you are being very courageous in this particular, energy. In this particular month, there's a lot of courage, a lot of initiative, a lot of, you might have to deal with your siblings as well. So the idea of siblings is also there. For very few of you, I do feel you've become better at manifesting. So far you were not having a lot of success, but August would prove to be a turning point of you, and you'll finally see that everything that you've been doing, every hack, strips, manifestations, this and that, everything is suddenly going to make a lot of sense for you guys. Do let me know if this if this reading resonates with you, or if parts of it resonate with you, and I'll see you guys next time.